Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First up, the unboxing. Inside the box, Apple keeps it simple. You get the Mac Mini itself, a power cord, and some documentation. Remember, there's no monitor, keyboard, or mouse included, so you'll need to bring your own. Any USB or Bluetooth peripherals will work just fine. I'll place the Mac Mini right here on my desk. It needs good ventilation, even though it runs super quiet. Now, let's connect everything. The power cord goes into the back, then into an outlet. Connect my monitor using an HDMI cable. For the keyboard and mouse, I'm using USB 1s for a quick setup. I'm also plugging in an Ethernet cable for the most stable internet connection, though Wi-Fi is built in. Once everything's connected, it's time for the moment of truth. Let's press the small power button on the back. You'll hear that classic Mac chime, and the Apple logo will appear. The first boot might take a minute, so be patient. Soon you'll see the setup screen. First, I'll choose my language and region. Next, it asks to connect to Wi-Fi, but since we're on Ethernet, it's already connected. I'll quickly go through the accessibility and privacy settings. Now for a crucial step, the Apple ID. Since we're installing OpenClaw, which has powerful capabilities, I strongly recommend creating a brand new Apple ID just for this device. This keeps your personal data completely separate and safe. I've already made one, so I'll just sign in. I'll also create a local user account with a strong password, and most importantly, I'll enable File Vault for full disk encryption when it prompts me. We'll skip setting up Siri and screen time for now to keep things minimal. After a few final clicks, we're on the desktop, but we're not done yet. Before installing anything, let's make sure macOS is fully updated. I'll go to System Settings, then General, and click on Software Update. It's always best to start with the latest, most secure version of the operating system. This might take a few minutes to download and install. With our Mac Mini fully updated, it's time to prepare the environment for OpenClaw. Since OpenClaw is designed to be an always-on AI, we first need to go into System Settings and find the Energy Saver or Battery section. Here I'm going to set it to never sleep when plugged in. This ensures our AI agent is available 24/7. Next, we need to open the terminal. Just press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight, type Terminal, and hit Enter. This command line interface is where we'll do the rest of the setup. The first command we need to run is xcode select install. This installs Apple's essential command line developer tools. A window will pop up, just click Install, and wait for it to finish. With the developer tools installed, we now need Homebrew, which is a package manager for macOS. It makes installing software super easy. I'll copy the installation command from the Homebrew website and paste it into the terminal. It's a long one, so I'll put it in the description below. Just press Enter, type in your password when it asks, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's done, you can verify it by typing brew version. Our next step is to install Node.js, which is a runtime environment that OpenClaw needs to operate. Thanks to Homebrew, this is incredibly simple. In the terminal, just type brew install node and press Enter. This will install the latest version. Make sure it worked. We can type node v to see the version number. Alright, the environment is prepped. Now for the main event. Installing OpenClaw. OpenClaw is the AI agent we're setting up. It can connect to apps like Telegram or WhatsApp and use large language models like GPT or Claude to perform tasks for you. Before we install it, you'll need an API key from an AI provider like Anthropic or OpenAI. Just sign up on their website and generate a key. Keep it handy. To install OpenClaw, we'll use another simple command. I'll paste curl fssl https://openclaw AI install bash into the terminal. This script handles the entire installation. It might ask for permission to install some things. Just say yes. It will also ask if you want to install it as a daemon, which is a background service. So definitely say yes to this for 24/7's operation. Once the installation is complete, it's time to configure our new AI agent. We'll run the command OpenClaw on board. Install daemon. This will launch a setup wizard right in the terminal. It'll show a warning about OpenClaw's power. It can execute code and access files, which is why we're using a dedicated, isolated machine. Accept the warning. Now follow the prompts. So we'll ask for your LLM API. Keith, this is where you paste the key you generated earlier. Then, choose which messaging app you want to connect it to. I'm choosing Telegram, as it's very easy to set up a bot. You'll need to provide a token from Telegram's bot father. After that, it will hatch your bot and give you a link to chat with it. Let's test it out. I'm opening Telegram and sending a message to my new bot. Hello, who are you? And we've got a reply. Live. You can also check its status in the terminal by typing OpenClaw status. If you run into any issues, the command OpenClaw logs will show you what's happening behind the scenes. And there you have it. You've taken a brand new Mac Mini M4 from the box to a fully functional 24/7 AI agent in under an hour. Remember to practice good safety use this machine for OpenClaw only. Use BA-specific accounts for integrations, and keep everything updated. You can do this by regularly running brew update and npm update OpenClaw. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Let me know in the comments what you plan to do with your own AI agent. Until next time, happy building.